What's up, guys? I'm going to show you in this video how you can create a PayPal.me link that is going to allow you to share a link, a personal link, so anyone can pay you directly without do website or share in something else. Okay, it's just to share the link that you're going to create, and then the people, the person that are going to pay you something can set an amount and then send it to you with an easy way. All right. So first of all, you need to create an account in the PayPal.com. Okay. And then this is the dashboard. Okay. Once you're logging in your account. Okay. So here you got your quick links. Okay. That you have your PayPal me. Okay. Or also you can have the option here to pay and receive payments. Okay. And then PayPal.me. Okay. So both options are correct. So once you click in here, okay, it's going to ask you for, it's going to translate in English, sorry. Okay, so it's going to ask you for help others to know that you're the one they are paying. Okay, it means that it's, for example, to personalize or customize um, the link itself. Okay, so just click the PayPal.me profile. Okay, just going to add your photo. Okay, for example, this is an avatar. Okay, but uh, the correct way is to upload a picture of yourself. Okay, so let's go to keep it. And here it should be people.me slash, and then for example, your name. All right, for example. Okay, in here it's going to say that it's already used. So you will need to, for example, try or test every single combination about what is the links that is available for you. Okay, for example, let's say my name and then 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, and then you can see here this available. Okay, so once you can to click here following, right? The correct link is going to be this one. I'm going to show you here. So it's going to be paypal.me slash, for example, in this case, Rajas 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. With this link, okay, you just need to share in WhatsApp, social media, whatever you want. Okay. And then the people are going to click on it and set an amount that you ask it for, or I don't know, for donations or something like that. Then as you can see here, in this case, my link is going to be paypal.me slash fjurinrojas. Okay, so let's go to accept and create, and that is done. Okay, the profile is active, and that's it. So basically, this is the profile that you're going to have. Okay, customize it in paypal.me. The other user or people are going to see something like this. Okay, once the user are going to send you money, okay, it's going to ask you for access to them account, okay, and basically that's the way how they're allowed to send you an amount or something for donations, as I said before, with an easier and fast way. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this helped you in order to create your PayPal me customized link. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment in this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.